Okay, welcome everybody to this live session. It is time again for us to look into the charts live in real time, looking at what price are left for us by the end of today, and deciding our directional bias for tomorrow. Okay, all right, without any waste of time, let's quickly go into the chart. But before then, I need to remind you that the monetary policy report, that's interest rate announcement affecting the Canadian dollar, is scheduled for tomorrow, and so we are going to be avoiding all Canadian dollar crosses because of that interest rate announcement. Okay, all right, let me bring back my chart. Okay, looking into the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar, well, I want to share with you here that this pair made some hesitation here. Our trade plan didn't play out because we were actually waiting to look for short entries, but the trade plan did not play out, so we didn't take any trade. Right now this pair has the tendency to move up to somewhere in here. Okay, it has the potential to move up to somewhere there before we can see a drop back down again. So if you are looking to go short, be very hesitant. Don't do that. You need to wait somewhere around here. In fact, in the daily time frame, we could be waiting again around that area of resistance, that former level of support, which may now act as resistance. The next time price begins to push into that zone again, we should be looking for short entries. That means clicking on your sell button here will be a bit too early. You really do not want to do that. Wait for better pullback somewhere here, then we can look for short entries. Okay, all right, just that's just a quick update to let you know that we didn't take any trade on that. On the other hand, if the 3 SMA indicator is calling for a downtrend and price breaks to the downside with this breakout pattern, this is a triangle formation, I'm sure you can see that. If price breaks to the downside as the dynamic area of resistance catches up with price, okay, that shaded area, and we get a breakout to the downside. Okay, sorry about that break. That's it. We'll keep our eyes here for now. No need to conclude yet. Let's just keep our eyes. If we find an entry, you will definitely know about that. The next one is the euro against the American dollar. Well, the ECB event is still just ahead, but this pair is trading around support. Okay, support. This is resistance, at least in the daily time frame. And today's candle that is about to close, this candle here, is a reversal pattern. It's a spinning top, giving traders the hint that the next move might be to the upside. So if you're looking to trade the euro against the American dollar, you should be looking for possible buy entries in this pair as price is beginning to react off that level of support. For us, it is a low quality bounce signal, so we will not be taking the trade. If you want to take the trade, then your stop loss should be hidden below that level of support. Okay, below this level of support, your stop loss should be hidden there. All right, just need to show you that. Let's move on to the next one, the Canadian dollar against Japanese yen. You can see nice rejection of that area of support. Can you see that? Nice rejection of that area of support. Look at that pin bar. That pin bar is a sign of rejection that the bulls are ready to drive price to the upside in this pair. Well, we will not be trading this because of the interest rate announcement coming from Canada. We don't want to get ahead of the news. If price stays somewhere below, then we'll be looking to trade this setup using the news trading approach. Okay, for now, it is still too early. We are not going to place the order ahead of that news announcement. All right, a similar one is in the American dollar against the Canadian dollar, and this is the one that I am even liking the most. Price finally made that turn to the downside. For tomorrow, we should be expecting price to push down, but Canadian dollar again. Okay, interest rate announcement. Canadian dollar interest rate announcement for tomorrow. So it's a no-go area. If everything stays the same, we will definitely trade that using the new trading approach. All right, next one, sterling pounds against the Japanese yen. Price is also reacting off a level of support, but the congestion in this pair is just too much. All right, the congestion is just too much. Looks like a channel. That's why we will not be trading this. We'll be taking an alternative setup, which also contains the Japanese yen instead of taking this. All right, so we'll not take this because of the poor nature of price action. All right, the next one is the euro against the Japanese yen. Well, so sad story here. Anyway, you can see that market confusion, a pin bar as of yesterday, a pin bar as of today. At any rate, price is trading around support area. Okay, support area. So as price is dealing with this support area in the euro against Japanese yen, okay, I do apologize for that. I'm trying. All right, I know you are seeing some very bad live stream quality at your end, and let's continue. All right, let's look into the next pair. Please give me a minute to sort this out. The live stream quality seems to be diminishing right here. I can see it from my end, so just give me a minute to sort this out. All right, so let's begin. Let's continue. Sorry, the Australian dollar against the American dollar. Well, this one here is looking pretty good. It is one of those setup that I believe that tomorrow will have price push to the upside. The only thing here is that price did not really bank off that level of support. It fell shy a bit, but hey, this is happening around a level of support, so price is likely going to push to the upside in this pair. Okay, so if you're looking to trade the Australian dollar against the American dollar for tomorrow, you should be looking for possible buy entries in this pair. Okay, finally, this is the one that we are taking, the Australian dollar against Japanese yen, as price reacts of that area of support, and this is also an area of resistance. We have lots of hesitation there, but we believe that with this pin bar, let me zoom in the chart. Okay, with this pin bar, tomorrow should see an up move. We should have the bulls pushing price to the upside for tomorrow. So this is the one that we are going to take. Therefore, I'm going to apply my my lot size calculator, which is already in the chart. My stop loss level, I want to be hyper conservative. I'm not tempting the market. Okay, so I'm going to place it a few pips above the pin bar. 35 pips is okay. You don't need to be too exact or too precise. Let me say this again. Okay, too far. Keep it here. All right, so 235 pips above the candle itself. The hint candle is just okay. These are my entry parameters. Oh, sorry. All right, the market has just closed, so I'm going to do 2% here. Risk 2%. Okay, lot size calculator, few pips above the pin bar. Stop loss, few pips below. I don't know why the live stream quality is really bad. I think it might be from the stream service provider. Okay, I do apologize for the very poor live stream quality. Let's continue. So I'm going to place my order. It's a buy stop order. It's a buy stop order at this level right here. That would be my stop loss. I am risking 2%, and this is the recommended lot size for this trade. Okay, all right, so I'm just going to place that order. It's a pending order. It's a buy stop order. My lot size is 1.78. At what price am I placing that? 79.91. Stop loss is at 78.86. That's the stop loss. So I'm going to place that trade. Okay, the order has been placed. That's it. We'll keep this trade running. It's a long-term trade. It's not a trade you should sit watching 24/7. Place the order and walk away. Thanks for being here. This has been a poor live broadcast quality. I don't think the stream service providers have done a good job for today. Thanks for your patience and understanding. If you have questions or contributions, send them across. We'll be ready to respond to them. Okay, do have a nice rest. Stay off the charts. Relax your minds. Trading opportunities will present themselves. Bye bye.